Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything. Let's talk about changing the layer height in your lychee slicer. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply look for the filament setting or the resin setting on your slicer. So in my case, it's going to be this one. So you just want to click on it, and from here, there will be the layers category. So we want to click on this option. And at the first one, we have our first layer, and at the side, we have the main layer option. The first option is going to be our layer height. So of course you want to adjust this accordingly. And we have the adaptive layer height option. You could turn this on and off. You have the adaptive minimum layer height, and basically everything is going to be inside this specific category. If you're done, just make sure to click on the OK button to make sure that you have saved the right filament or resin settings, and basically you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.